Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we are given a string s and we need to repeatedly make a duplicate removals from s until we no longer can. So what's a duplicate? Duplicate is if the two adjacent characters are equal. So for example, in this case, we have A, B, B, A, C, A. So these two characters are equal, right? So we are removing them. Now we have A, C, A. And again, these two characters are also adjacent two characters are equal, right? So we are removing also these two. Now we have CA and we are returning CA as a result. We are going to solve this problem using a stack data structure. So what we are going to do to our stack. So let's take this example, ABB, ACA, the example that we have seen earlier. So what we do, starting from the first character, we are adding that to our stack. So for example, in this case, first we are adding A, the next one. So as we are adding the character, so we are checking that is the previous character in a stack, is that equals to our current character. So for example, we are adding A because there is no character in the stack. So the next one we are adding what? We are adding B. So again, we want to add the next B, but we are checking, okay, if the top character is equals to this character B, right? Yes, it equals. So we are removing this character also from the stack, right? So we are removing this character from the stack. And now we are adding the next one. Next one is A, right? We are adding A. We are trying to add A. Is the A equals to A? Yes, it equals to A. So we are also removing from the stack this character. So the next one we are adding C, and we are checking that the next one is A. Is A equals to C? No. So we are adding A here. And the last one is that we are going over our stack and adding that to so we are forming a new string and returning that as a result. So what's the time and space complexity in this case? The time complexity is we are going over our string only once, so it's of n, and the space complexity is we are using stack, and for the stack, in the worst case scenario, our space complexity is also going to be of n. Okay, first thing that we do here, we are creating a stack with the type as being the character. So we are going over our string, and for each character we are checking if our stack is not empty, and if the element that is on the top of the stack, if that equals to our current character. So what we do, we are taking that character from the stack because they are adjacent to adjacent characters that are equal. If not, then we are adding that character to our stack. And once we exit this loop, we don't have no longer two adjacent characters that are equal. So we are building up our result. So for that, we are using a string builder, and we are going over our stack until it's empty, and we are inserting to the 0 character. Why? Because, for example, in the stack, in our previous example, right? So the characters are, first is A, and the next one is C. But the correct result that we should return should be CA, right? CA. So that's for that reason we are adding the character to the 0 index, making sure that we have the correct order. So it should be in reverse order. And at the end, we are just returning a result. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.